In this video, I will tell you how to use inventory reconciliation. You can press from the listing add new button, add new. You can press add new inside the form also. You can select the date of reconciliation. You can select the person who reconcile. You can add a reference number and the comment. After adding some information, you can press save. After pressing save button, the reconciliation number is generated. Now you can add the product lines. You can add the product line by scanning the item barcode from barcode reader. You can add the item by manually writing the product name here. You can see that I am adding this one, and after adding the quantity, you can press the plus button for adding the product in a line. You can search, you can scan, and you can import the product. In action button, you can see that there is a option for import. You can press the import button. You can download the sample file here. You can open the sample file. You can see that the product code and the quantity is appear. You can add the product code and the quantity in the second column. Okay, after adding, you can remove the rows, delete the rows. Now you can import the sample, validate, and complete it. You can close. You can see that the other item is listed here. You can add the item manually, scan the item, and import. After adding all the items and the received quantity, on-hand quantity physically, you can press the start reconciliation. After start reconciliation, data is reconciled. Now you can press the validate data button to validate the physical quantity with the inventory on hand in system. Now you can see that the status is completed and you can view the report. You can see that after pressing the view report button, the pop-up is appear. You can press the search button. You can see that the received quantity is 1 and on-hand quantity is 279 and difference is minus 278. The same way another product received quantity is 2 physically and the on-hand quantity of the system is 1. The difference is 1. You can export this to view and validate or authenticate the quantity differences in the Excel file. You can see that. In this way, you can reconcile the global level on a branch level from the inventory. Thank you.